Welcome everybody. Today's another great day on Larry's Fountain Pens with Larry the Pen Bug Guy, that's me, and sharing with y'all boxes that came in today. So unboxing, here we go. I love unboxing. You never know what's in a box. What kind of goodies are in this box? Well, I can tell you this much. This is from one of my viewers, one of my friends and pen pals. A special shout and thank you to Bill. He sent me out what's in this box. And when I get done with it, I'll send it back to him. So let's get unboxing. Ooh. Got to get in there. Get this thing going and see what it is. And oh, just throw that there and throw that like that. And see there? Very easy. And it comes in the box just like this. Oh, what a box. Wow. Wow. And this is a letter that I will read after a while. Wow. I'll read that later. Comes all this good stuff. With some more cool stuff. Oh. Interesting box, too. Look at the color of that box. Wow. I'll set this aside. Now, let's get going with this beautiful whatever it is. So, thank you, Bill, for sending me this pen for review, and I will get it back to you. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm excited. Let's see. It is a pen. A Chinese pen. The pen BBS. So let's see what we got in here. We got a black cushion. I like that. Here we go. Alrighty. Wow, look at this pen. Wow, now this is amazing. I've never seen this kind of pen before. Look at the length of that pen. Wow. Nice looking pen. And I'll do a review on this. I think this, no, it won't post, but look at the size of that. It's just a nice looking pen. Well, let me see what kind of nibs on here. The standard pen BBS since 2005. And this is going to be a fine nib. Wow. Well, Bill, I'll read your letter in a minute, and I'll review this and get it back to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Now we're going to go with box number 2. Now this I ordered from Gold Spot Pens. And it just came in. So now I'm going to find out what's the best way to open this. I guess just like that. Wow. I'll stand up and do this. So, yeah, this is exciting. Every time I get stuff like this in the mail, it's Christmas all over again. Alright, now we can start this. Yes. Here we go. Alright, what did I get from Gold Spot Pens? Well, first of all, we'll get this one out. Wow. Ta-da! Y'all know what that is, right? You know, I never had a Rhodia this size. So when I saw that Gold Spot Pens had this size, I said, you know what? I'm going to order it. And I ordered it, and I'm glad I did because I love the size of this notebook. Look at this notebook. 80G paper. And that really feels really nice. I'm feeling it. Nice Rhodia notebook. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Sale receipt. And some goodies. Pilot. And that's it. Alright. Alrighty, so now this is Pilot. So what do y'all think it is? I'm telling you, I think you'll be surprised. It's not a vanishing point. It's not a all like that. It's like 4 pins in one box. Yep. I finally bit the bullet and got these from Gold Spot Pens. And I got the blue one, the 6.0 millimeter, the 1.5, the 2.4, and the 3.8. I've been thinking about these pens for several years now, and I just wasn't sure that I was ready for these pens. And well, since I like the 1.0, 1.1, 1.5, and I've tried some 2-point-something nib sizes, playing around with calligraphy, which I'm a total beginner, I said, you know what, it's time to buy them. So I went to Gold Spot Pens and bought all these goodies. So I'm going to have fun playing around with these, and I'll do a review and fill you in later on all this cool stuff. Take care. Peace. Be safe. Rock on, brother. Later.